So I'm working with this flat out tire repair. Great stuff. Everything I've heard, all the stuff my buddies say, great stuff. Here's the first bottle. It's messy. Flat out. The problem is this little pumper top, along with the rest of it, just doesn't work. So what I did, went ahead, drilled a hole for my tube, a hole for some air, put my nozzle on. You can see it shoots it straight out. It's a very quick way to do this. Eventually, you got to hold the bottle up, turn it up a little bit as you get lower in the bottle. And then you can set it vertically and continue to fill the rest of it this way. So flat out, don't bother with the hose or with the pump. Get yourself a little air, drill yourself a couple holes, be done with this in 10 minutes instead of a headache for an hour.